as Bitcoin is finally getting a small pump and things seem to be looking towards the upside, do we have the juice to keep going into the next phase of the pump? Let's find out. Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Stocks and You. I'm your host Ulysses Herrera. Guys, today the day is Monday, January 31st, 12:25 p.m. California time. We are going to talk about whether Bitcoin has the pump to keep going, or do we have more downside to come before we keep pumping. Alright guys, let's get right into it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bells. Our predictions come true time and time again, guys. Now, once in a while, things obviously don't play out as we think, because the market is the market and cryptocurrency is cryptocurrency. Sometimes even technical analysis can have a hard time predicting how people will react. So, guys, let's go right into Bitcoin. So in the last 4 hours, guys, we've actually been maintaining a pump in Bitcoin, which is a good thing, guys. I mean, we haven't seen this much of an uptrend and a pump in a while, guys. So right now, Bitcoin right here looks like we are heading towards, a little bit of higher price movements. Now, guys, remember, this was a rising channel which eventually fell towards the downside, and now right now on the 4 hourly, it looks like open interest money flow index wants to come back into the green, which is a good thing. Now the momentum seems to be waning down, but also right now we are printing one of these squeeze band dot indicators, telling me that there's obviously some kind of price movement coming. Whether will that be to the downside, to the upside, we have yet to see. It seems like it's going to be towards the upside, but the volume has kind of diminished towards the upside. We still haven't been able to break above really about 39,000, guys. We have been trying and trying and trying. Right here on the 4 hourly, it looks like we're trying to do it. We tried it here, got rejected. Tried it here, got rejected. So we're going up one more time, guys. Now, whether we're going to be able to do it, we'll see, guys. We'll see, because we need some strength to kind of break and print candles above this. Now, what we were having as resistance, and now should hopefully become support, because back in the day, this was a trend line that I drew out here, guys, and it's pretty much spot dead on, like insanely spot dead on how I was correct on having this trend line and this horizontal ray trend line that now has become resistance. So let's see if we can print candles above this trend line, guys. That would ultimately be a good thing. And same thing, if we can print a candle above 38,000, 39,000 on top of this trend line, that would be really good for crypto. Let's see what's going on in the lower time frames. Kind of see, the thing is, look at this, guys. I mean, again, kind of starting to form a small candle of rejection. Now this candle is nothing confirming yet. This candle could turn, this next candle could turn positive and then keep going up, or it could just keep turning more red, which it's already turning red on the 45, and then on the 30, this is a candle that's kind of signaling that something is gonna happen as well. So we have yet to see, guys. I can't keep saying that I think it's gonna go down, because that's what I've been saying the past 2 or 3 days. I feel like we just aren't having the pump to keep going up, but also we could out of nowhere the lower time frames are telling us that the price action is getting tired, but also it looks like we could keep going up a little bit more. So my hope is that we keep going up. Obviously, I don't want to see the price keep getting shot down. Just to be correct, I want to see a pump, guys. I want to see a pump in Bitcoin. So let's see what happens, guys. On the 1 week, something very interesting is happening now. Check this out. I mean, this is kind of this 1 week. The 1 week RSI is kind of starting to point itself up, saying maybe we're kind of seeing a bottom. Not 100% guaranteed yet, but we will see, guys. Remember that this 1 week, this is kind of like right here as oversold, this is really, really oversold, and then this is like deadly oversold. We are not there in any of these. So this is kind of like the worst it's ever been, which is right here in 2018. No, where was it? 2018. Wait, where is 2018? 2018. Sorry, there we go. So that was the worst it's ever been. So right now we're not there yet, but you know, it could go there. This is 2019 right here. This is 2018. So this is the worst it got in pretty much almost ever, guys. So we're not really there yet right now, so let's keep an eye on that. Let's go to Ethereum, guys. Ethereum. On the 2-week chart, where is Ethereum? Right here. So it's not as bad as it's ever been, but you know, we have seen a substantial drawdown as well on the 2-week RSI candles. Same thing on the 1 week. We're kind of almost getting bouncing off of the lowest oversold price levels, which, I mean, it's gone lower than 30, but that's kind of at the lowest it gets, and that's a good thing essentially, guys. We want to see obviously price movement towards the upside, because we don't want to keep seeing a big dump, obviously. So this is kind of slightly telling us a nice picture. Is this confirmed? No, but I mean, we are getting these bullish flags right here printed on the 2-day, which these tend, if they play out, guys, they could be solid. Like, look at this, guys. This is the last time, September 28th, 2021. We had one printed out, and then after that, we just pumped like crazy. So yeah, but also we had a lot of other ones print out here and just kind of get rejected. We had one here get rejected, had another one here, kind of wasn't much, here wasn't much either. So this is another one. We'll see what happens. I mean, this could be ultimately a good thing. We could see a pump towards the upside, but right now we still have to get above 3,000, as I've said in the past, for us to really start to be bullish. Okay, guys, that's kind of what we're looking for on Ethereum in the long term. Shorter to long term, we need to start printing candles above 3,000. 4 hourly, same kind of thing. It's still positive. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of looking good, but once again, guys, like I said, we need to get above 3,000. Otherwise, it's yeah, that's a major milestone for us to get over 3,000. So let's see what happens in the next couple hours, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I'll see you on the next one.